Hey everyone, this is the all new Porsche 911 Turbo S. One of the fastest sports cars ever. This one is the new model, the facelift, with new headlights, taillights and interior upgrades. Just beautiful. Keyless go, frameless doors. This one has a carbon package. Beautiful carbon dorsal with the illuminated Turbo S logo. Burmester sound system. Full leather door panels and dash. It has also two cup holders, stopwatch, panoramic sunroof with dark Alcantara headliner, power adjustable seats with leg extensions. There are two seats in the back for children. The door handles are also reshaped on this new. It has the power adjustable steering wheel. Rev counter in the middle. Trip computer navigation screen. Top speed says 350 kilometers per hour. Beautiful. New 360mm steering wheel with the Sport response button. Sport, Sport Plus, individual and normal. This steering wheel is the same as the 918 Spider. I also filmed that one. Check my channel Aladdin61. New type navigation screen with Wi-Fi possibilities. Hey everyone, here is the brand new Huracan Spider. This color is called the Arancio Borealis 4-layer. The frame is aluminium and carbon fiber. Carbon ceramic brakes. It has front and rear aluminium double wishbone suspension. Over Alcantara interior with the orange like the exterior color. Navigation screen. The start button is cool. LCD speedometer. Beautiful interior. Glossy black trim on the. Everyone, this is the all new Ferrari 488 GTB. Designed by Flavio Manzoni. Even the door handle is shaped in this way to tunnel air into the air intakes. Rev counter in the middle. 2 LCD screens. One for the trip computer, one for the speedometer. Flat bottom steering wheel, flat top steering wheel with the extra lights so you know when to change gear. The weight distribution is 41.5 at the front, 58.5 in the... Hey everyone, this is the all new Z06 convertible Corvette. In this video I will do a startup and show all the features. It's just a beautiful car. Glossy black rims. Z06 supercharger logo at the side. Beautiful 4 exhaust with a great sound. Leather interior. Z06 logo and Corvette logo. Also the magnetic selective ride control. Everything is wrapped in leather. Door panels, dash, it has the Bose sound system. That's the button for it with the Corvette logo and perforation. Flat bottom steering wheel. Carbon fiber. LCD screen. Touchscreen navigation. Today we have the brand new Mercedes-Benz AMG GTS. This is the more powerful version of the AMG GT. In this video I will do a startup and show you every feature of this beautiful car. Supercar. Hey everyone, thanks for watching Aladdin 61. Today we have a special sports car from Mercedes-Benz, down from Effelsberg, Germany. It is a great looking car with a hand-built sports engine with 510 horsepower, power adjustable steering wheel with the beautiful shift pedals mounted on steering wheel. It has a great sound. I will leave it in race mode and the sports exhaust button on, so You can hear that beautiful AMG engine. Thanks for watching again. With the carbon, I love the carbon. Immediately the blind spot assist turns up. Storage area, chrome details, power adjustable seats, side bolsterings to keep you in place, memory seat 3-person setting down here, special AMG seats, dark headliner. Let's take a look at the interior. I love the steering wheel, beautiful air vents, Alcantara steering wheel, special to the AMG models, leather top, leather dash, beautiful AMG Alfa Ultraback logo.